Hey guys, looking for the ultimate crowd pleaser for your next party? Today I'm making my baked cheesy onion dip, a creamy, gooey, and utterly delectable dish that will have your guests coming back for more. Welcome back to Carla in California, where we bring you the best in seasonal home-cooked goodness. This quick and easy recipe will sure to impress your guests. We will caramelize sweet onions and blend them with creamy cheeses and bake until golden and bubbly. It's quick and easy and irresistibly delicious. So for the ingredients, you're going to be using all different kinds of cheeses. I bought this block cheese because I like to shred those as much as I can. I think they taste better like that. And I never seen shredded Swiss cheese, so I wasn't able to find that either when I was looking for it. So I just bought a block of Swiss cheese and shredded it up myself. So now I have the sharp cheddar cheese and the Swiss cheese grated up. The other cheeses I was actually able to find the Parmesan cheese grated and the Mexican cheese. I already found those grated. And here is the 2 cups of cheddar cheese that I grated for the recipe. And here are the other ingredients. These onions were from my garden that I picked and chopped them up because we're going to be caramelizing the onions in the recipe. So now that we have all of our cheeses, I will also list the list of ingredients at the end of this. You're also going to want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. The other ingredients that you're going to need is your mayonnaise and an 8-ounce block of Philadelphia cream cheese, and also a half a cup of sour cream. And here is the list of ingredients. I sure hope you can read my handwriting. I just jotted it down and took a picture of it for you. Next, we're going to prep our onions in a skillet over medium heat. Saute the chopped onions until they are soft and slightly caramelized. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. This step is crucial as it brings out the sweetness of the onions, adding depth to our dip. Then I just added a little bit of salt. You can use whatever kind of salt that you like, and about a teaspoon or maybe 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Make sure you take the lid off. I tried to pour it on with the lid on before I noticed that I didn't take the lid off because I was so tired when I was making this. But yeah, just a couple of teaspoons of Worcestershire. I don't really measure, but you can, that's about how much you use. And then you caramelize it a little more after you put your salt and your Worcestershire sauce. And then in a large bowl, you mix all your ingredients, half a cup of sour cream, 8 ounces of the cream cheese, all the different cheeses, and a whole cup of mayonnaise. And you add your caramelized onions that you have with the Worcestershire and the salt. You even add that into the mixture and then blend it up really good. And just make sure that you mix it all really well. Then you will put it in your baking dish. I put mine in a iron skillet, and then I put it in the oven that I already had preheated. Then you just transfer the mixture into a baking dish or this iron skillet like I had, and spread it out evenly. Bake it in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the dip is bubbly and golden brown. The next step you're going to do is you're going to garnish and serve. You're going to remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly, and then you're going to garnish it with some chives and some thyme. You can use any kind of garnish that you want, but this is what I had from my garden, so that's what I used. And then you just serve it warm with your favorite dippers like bread, sourdough, crackers, or fresh veggies. This dip is perfect for game days and holiday gatherings, and can be prepared ahead of time and baked just before serving. It really is easy and so delicious. The combination of cheeses and the caramelized onion creates an unmatched depth of flavor. And if you wanted to take this up another level, you could add garlic or jalapenos or bacon or anything that you like. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And be sure to check out my next video where we'll be diving into another great recipe perfect for any occasion. Until then, happy cooking!